I'm going to show you how to use the shape tool so you can answer these questions. So you're going to go up, you're going to put your mouse towards the circle and the square. If you don't click on it, it'll show the word shape underneath. So I'm going to click shape, and I have all these different shapes that I can use. What I recommend using for circling words is the square. So I'm going to click this square, and you'll notice that my cursor has now changed to a plus sign. So the directions ask me to find the possessive noun. So I'm going to find the possessive noun. So I'm going to be looking for that apostrophe, remember? So I found farmers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the top left of the word, click and drag all the way to the bottom right of the word. When I let go, you're going to notice that this box is covered. To change that, I'm going to go up to this fill color, and I'm going to click this transparent word. It also shows a color with a line through it, so that's telling me I don't want any color. Now, if I click away, you'll see that I have a little box there. I'm going to show you that one more time. So I'm going to go up to this shape. I want the square. My cursor changed to a plus sign. So once I have my word, I'm going to go to the top left and go click and drag all the way to the bottom right. Now I can't see behind it. So I'm going to go to the paint bucket and click this no color sign. Oops. You can also change the color of the outside line. So if you want to make it red to stand out or orange, whatever color you want. And this one will also make it a little bit bigger. So maybe if you want to put it at 2, it'll make it just a little bit thicker. You can definitely change the colors and things like that, but you do not have to. If you want to underline next to the shape bar, I can click, and then I'm going to click line. So now again, my cursor changed to a plus sign. So I'm going to underline what the noun is, what belongs to the noun. So it says, luckily the farmer's cows and sheep are in his barn. What does the farmer's own? The farmer owns the cows and sheep. So what I can do is I can draw a line. I'm going to click and drag, and it's going to have a line, and I'm going to drag this underneath just so it looks a little bit nicer. I can drag this around. If I made a mistake, I can push the backspace button and it'll delete it, and I can try again. So I'm going to click this line, the little arrow next to it, click line. I'm going to click, oops, I didn't click it. So I'm going to try again, the line. So I notice now I have my plus sign. I'm going to click and drag. And now if it does something like this and I click away, I can still see that you're trying to underline cows and sheep. It definitely does not have to be perfect. Just try your best. I'm going to go ahead and delete these. So your shape tool and your line tool are something that we're going to be using a lot. So make sure that you come back to this video if you ever need help doing shapes or lines. So now you're going to go ahead and circle the possessive nouns and underline what belongs to them. So using those 2 shape tools.